Hello everyone, I'm James and today's video is about Samsung Galaxy Tab A that is not turning on or that is not showing any display after it is connected back with the FPC cable. That is, usually we see nowadays most of the Samsung Galaxy Tabs, they are getting detached. The screen is getting detached by itself, and when the FPC cable is disconnected, it is glued and fixed back, then there is no display showing on the screen. So to overcome that, to solve that, there are three methods, three options. First one is you need to press and hold volume minus along with power key for more than 7 seconds. That is, press the volume minus and the power key together for more than 7 seconds. Press and hold them. The tab will restart. So if it does not restart and if it restarts but still there is no display, then you need to press and hold only the power key for around 2 minutes. The tab will turn off, and after that leave it around for 1 minute. Do not switch on. After 1 minute, press the power key and switch it on and check if the display is okay. But even after this, if the display doesn't work, there is no display on the screen, then I request you to continue watching this video till the end. Do not skip anything. Do not skip the video. You may miss some important points. And also please note that in this video I'm not showing how to detach the screen, how to unglue it. I'm just showing you what method helped me to get the display image back. So I'm not showing you how to disassemble the screen. I'm not showing you how to glue it back. If you want to watch the video how you can glue the screen back to the main casing, you can just click on the link shown here on the top, and or the link which is given in the description of this video. So continue watching the video till the end. Hit the like icon if the video is helpful for you. Share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Let's continue with the video. Then what you need to do is just remove all the screws. Just follow this video. Watch the video till the end. Hit the like icon. Share the video. And subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. So just remove all these screws. This is a 10.1 inch tab. You need to remove all the screws. All screws are of same size. Okay, this is the battery. No need to do anything there. Remove all the screws because then I should not miss them. Here there is one screw. I missed it. Now, after removing all the screws, remove the SIM tray. If you do not remove the SIM tray, there are possibilities that the flex that connects SIM tray to the main board will be broken. So, to avoid that breakage, remove the SIM tray. After removing SIM tray, just go on unlocking the case, separating the back cover from mainboard assembly. You can see now Disconnect the battery. After disconnect the battery, wait for a minute or two. Assure all other connectors are intact. These are speakers. One, two. So camera connector, front camera, 3.5 mm jack. Okay. Now reconnect the battery. Take the housing or back cover. There are locks here. See, they are locked properly. See that there is no gap on all the four sides. If there is gap, just see what is causing the gap and lock it. Okay. Now fasten all the screws which all were removed. We'll fix them back. Now connect the screen. Take the FPC connector, insert it into the connector on the display board, lock the connector and apply the tape which we had been removed earlier. And also note one more thing, that when you are repairing it, do not press the power key. Once the battery is disconnected and reconnected back, never press the power key. If you press the power key even by mistake, then you will have to do the procedure all from the beginning. So keep in mind that you should not we should not press the power key. All this has been, the display is not appearing because the tab was on when you tried to connect the FPC cable. So to avoid the mistake again, do not press the power key. Now let's power it on and check. Press and hold the power key. Now as you can see, the display is okay. Now you can apply the glue on all the sides and corners and fix back the display. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.